Today is gonna be a sweet day. I'm currently heading up to New Hampshire right now to go meet up with a subscriber. He's got 2 sweet cars that I'm gonna be introducing to the channel, so stay tuned. Some of you might know what's going on today, but today is gonna be a huge day, guys. I'm super stoked right now that my adrenaline is literally like running right now through my body. Got about a 2-hour ride up to New Hampshire. Look, I even put more than 10 bucks in this time. Get at me. Currently going through Worcester right now, Massachusetts. I got about another hour left. I just can't wait to get there already. It's only been like, I don't know, probably an hour, and it feels like it's been like 5 hours. But shout out to all the homies in Mass. I know there's a few of you that commented before, so shout out to the Worcester homies, the Mass homies. Pulling in right now. We just got to the location. Got Abe right here. Everybody say what up. Look at this little beast right here. This is not your average EM2. Look at that. Vibrant muffler right there. You have a full 3-inch, right? You said? Yep. You want to just pop the hood, dude, for me? Look at this, dude. Stockish. Now let's see what sits under the hood. Oh my god, dude. 2.4 TSX.
Yeah, this is disconnected right now because since it's snowing and stuff.
Is it a 06 or is it like a...
It's a 08.
08? Yeah. Damn, dude. This, look at that header right there. What are you running, the Vibrant header?
No, that one's just like an eBay header.
Look at this. Oh my god.
It is still a project, so I'm still working.
Air fuel gauge.
Yeah.
Look at this, dude. Oh, with the stiff motor mounts, you could just feel all the vibrations, dude.
There's no power steering.
Who needs power steering, right? Oh my god. So this is not tuned yet, or
it's running on a base map, but when I got it around a month ago, they said it was the guy told me it was tuned, but then I took it to my tuner, and he's probably gonna work it out a little bit better.
It sounds amazing, bro, with the Vibrant on that. Let me ask you this, bro. What feels better, man? Does the NAK series or does the Type R motor? Like, what feels better to you? Obviously, you're gonna have more power out of the Type R.
Yeah, but it's just 2 different feelings, basically. So,
2 different feelings.
Yeah, the NA is, you have instant power. You know, when you just floor it, you have instant power.
Yeah, dude.
And well, the Type R, it has a little bit of lag, not a lot, because I mean they designed that thing.
In a nice cozy little storage container over here. Look at that. It's got the Type R keychain. Look at that. Oh my. Wow. Absolutely love the color on this thing right now. Either this or the blue would be like my top choice if I ever got one. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm in shock. I've always wanted to be in a Type R, man, and it's a crazy opportunity, bro. Like, and it sounds amazing, dude.
Yeah. Best shifter I've ever driven.
Oh, do a pull, bro. Do a pull. Seriously, guys, so we are doing a pull right now. Second, it was like
yeah.
It's weird, like it's fast, but it's weird, like, because I don't hear the VTEC. Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah. And out of rough matches too for you. But watch, this is where you're gonna feel like, watch how it pulls you.
It feels so weird with like not having a VTEC crossover. Oh my god, bro. I know it's hard to see me, guys, for losing daylight. Does this affect your vision or no?
No.
This thing is incredible, man. Like, and I haven't even driven this thing yet. It's quiet. I'm not used to the quietness, but it feels so good. Like the torque and the turbo, it's just incredible. Say if I had to add one to the collection, I definitely would. I know you have an exhaust on it right now.
Yep.
What are your plans? You want to do obviously Honda?
Yeah, I want to do Honda. I want to get downpipe. I'm probably gonna go PRL and Mishimoto intercooler, and
both reputable brands, by the way.
Yeah.
Amazing brands. Let me ask you this question: what pretty much brought you into Hondas? I know you said you had a lot of Hondas back home. What got you into the Honda game? Like, why do you like these cars so much, man? Like, why Honda?
It's my friends back where I used to live at. We all had Hondas, and that's how we started in the tuner community. Yeah. So just like, I've had the EJ8s, Integras, the GSR Integra 4-doors. I've had the older EFs, like, and I've always been like all over these, like, around Honda community, right? But I mean, you got comfort, R mode, and
sport mode is where you get the most power, obviously.
Yeah.
Oh boy, let's feel it. The clutch is butter smooth, dude. Yeah. Just getting the feel for it, obviously, because I'm a little baby when it comes to test driving cars, man. I don't like to just bring them on the road just for safety, you know. It feels amazing. I drove a 9th gen. I drove a few 8th gens. They all pretty much feel similar for the most part. This is like really, really smooth for some reason, dude.
Yeah. Yeah. You're actually the first person that drives my car.
Dude, I respect that.
Here you go.
Dude, that spin screwed me up. Like, holy sh**. I'm barely on the throttle, and the power's right there. Dude, I'm like noobing out over here with the FG. I don't have any of this stuff. What does this make for PSI stock? Is it?
I think it was like 21.
Wow, dude.
Don't quote me on that, but
we're building some boost, man. Much more that you need to do to make this thing feel any better than it does already. Like, it spins like second gear. The PSI, the torque is there in all aspects. It's insane. Like, you could punch it in 5th gear and just accelerate so fast. It's insane, guys. So I can only imagine what one of these must feel like with a tune and bolt-ons, dude, you know?
Yeah, that'd be my goal probably.
Right.
Whenever we get the aftermarket parts, 500 horsepower. I know these cars eventually they'll
dude, this thing with that much power, dude, would be scary fast. Like, I don't even know. You'd be dusting literally everything. But dude, I love the rev match feature. Automatically rev matches dark, you probably can't really see me that good, but tonight was an absolute blast. I want to give a huge shout out to Abe for letting me come out and rip his Type R. It was just an incredible experience, guys. Like, the thing handles and performs so well, I don't even know what else to say. I wish we got more pulls in the daytime. It's one of the best days I've had in a long time. The Type R is just an incredible machine, guys. And I know why everybody wants them, well, everybody has them, and I'm gonna tell you right now, if I had the money to buy one, I would definitely buy one. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, drop your comments down below. What was your favorite car? Do you like my FG2? Do you like the K24 EM2? Or do you like the Type R, and why? Also, guys, be sure to hit me up. If you want me to do a review or interview your car, drop your comments down below with your name, where you're from, what you drive, and be sure to subscribe for some more Honda content. And I'll see you guys in the next video.